my topic is charity begins at home. I really believe so. At first, I want to begin with home. The word home. We do so many things at our home, but if I am doing something in the society, means outside, and the people or my neighbors, they know very well that particular thing I am not doing at my own home, then they will not follow that, and they will not listen to me also. Because suppose a person is a teacher, and that person or his student just lives next to his house, and that student knows very well that every day that teacher shouts and screams at his own home. In the school, you will find that the student is making fun of that teacher, that you yourself do not follow the discipline. Then how can you tell me to follow the discipline, to obey you? So that is the thing. So for another example, I want to say that at home, if everybody is very much concerned about their own homes, if I clean my own home and another person is cleaning their own residence, then this way the whole locality will become the cleanest locality. So this way, and if I talk about charity if I try to mean, charity means to help people outside, help poor people. And if I see that there are so many people you will find in our society who are helping the people just for showing off, they are taking pictures, they are trying to help, they are helping people. I'm not denying that they are not helping people, but they are helping people with the cameras. What's the need of that? If you want to help a person, then go and whatever your capability is, do according to that. And and if you are honest enough within you, there is honesty within you, then only you should go for that. Because if you don't believe that, if you are not honest enough, if you are not doing something from in your daily routine, then
you doing on camera and posting on Facebook.
no, there is no,
You will to inspire others.
but there's nothing wrong. But yes, obviously, but
Why discouraging them?
no, I'm not discouraging, but there are so many people who are thinking who are doing that for that purpose. We are taking it a positive way. Yes, they are doing that, but you will see there are so many people who are doing. And if you see, I know some people personally. I don't want to mention the names. They are seeing that they are not getting the thing from that post, or the intention what they have from that post. They are just changing the content. They are changing it, and the next day they are doing something else. So this is not the thing. If you want to do something, do it genuinely, and
You want to show off.
yes, just
You want to inspire others.
showing up and to earn something, to get something from that. Okay, so they are doing it just for their own self benefit.
Your gratification.
Yes, so that should not happen. And as I said, do everything before doing any new thing. Do that for yourself, or do that at your home first. Whatever good things you are, yes, whatever you are going to start a new thing or good thing for society, obviously you should. But at first you should start from your home, from your own locality or your own residence, under your own roof. Then only you should go outside and take that step.
So you know, Chittaranjan Dash, after his death, his wife Vasudha Devi had no shelter given. But you know, when Chittaranjan cancer starts saying that, there was a house because he donated the entire house to the betterment of the medical sciences. And his wife had no shelter, but his name is emblazoned in the pages of history as a social worker. Why are you saying that for charity is beginning at home?
No, if you this way not charity doesn't work. If the person has had built something, and at your home, back at his home, their own persons are suffering. That is not a suffering. They have got somebody in his life. He knows very well that that person is very much happy after seeing him in that position, or after seeing him doing that particular thing. So that for that reason he is doing that thing, knowing that very well that his own dear and near ones will suffer, because they know very well they will not suffer at all. They will enjoy, or they will be very much happy when they will see afterwards that people are getting the benefits from that particular work.
Thank you very much, Arun.